Hello guys, here is how you're going to find name servers in Hostinger. First, you're going to log into your Hostinger account, and then from here, you're going to look over to the left side panel. You will see here the domains. So all you have to do is you're going to click on that, and it will take you to your domain portfolio. Now from here, you will see all of the domains that you have. So for example, I have this maidalkisoju.shop. Now from here, you're just going to click on manage, and then from this domain overview page, you are going to look over to the right side panel. So you can see here your DNS/name servers tab. You will see your name servers currently assigned to your domain, usually something like ns1.dns/parking.com and ns2.dns/parking.com. And then what you can do is you're going to copy these, and then you can use them to connect your domain to another hosting provider or DNS service. And that's it. That is how you can find your name servers in Hostinger. Again, all you have to do is to click on edit or manage, and then you can look over to the right side of your screen, and then that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.